Computers, apps, and websites are some of the true representations of today's highly digital world. But without coding, none of these electronic hard and softwares would be operational. Coding is simply the language of technology. It is the art of telling a computer what you want it to do by typing in step-by-step commands for it to follow. It's no secret that coding is required for all digital natives, and Jamaica is in on the action. In fact, our government is taking steps to introduce this necessary skill to students through its Pilot Coding in Schools program. In a historic move, the Ministry of Education, in partnership with Amber Innovations Group Limited, introduced the Pilot Coding in Schools program.
The objective of the pilot program is to develop skills such as logical and critical thinking, problem solving, collaboration, teamwork, mathematics, and to instill confidence in kids through coding.
Under the program, classes in coding computer applications will be incorporated in the regular school curriculum.
The pilot program will be conducted across 20 schools with approximately 2,000 students. The classes are conducted for an hour and a half, twice in a week, and it will be for a period of 3 months.
Coding classes are currently being conducted through Zoom or Google Classroom, and the program is already getting great feedback.
This coding class has benefited me to learn more about the input and output devices so I could help my fellow classmates and to help me to understand more about the computer.
The coding training has allowed me to be more open-minded about the technological industry and the associated job opportunities. It has also helped me to develop problem-solving skills and expand my creativity.
I do understand things now I didn't know about the computer, and I know it will benefit me a lot in the future.
The Amber Innovations Group's online platform is being used to teach the students coding with instructor oversight. Participants also get a chance to practice coding concepts through activities on the company's online platform.
The Amber Group is delighted and excited that we have another opportunity to expand and transform how coding is taught across the island, and to realize a vision of making Jamaica the next Silicon Valley of this region. This partnership will result in students being engaged in coding from as early as 8 years old. Just think about what this means for these students and how we are transforming their outlook and ultimately their world.
Coding not only improves students' technical and soft skills, it ultimately equips them with the knowledge and mindset they need to be outstanding digital engineers of tomorrow.
Without coding, there wouldn't be any apps. And I like apps because I'd like to create my own fashion designing app, and coding will help me to do that.
I know that we won't really see the benefit of it like right now, but come back 5 years down the line and these students, you're going to be amazed at what they'll be able to do with the computers. They're talking about apps, creating apps, and all of that is going to be amazing because you're catching them at a point where their minds are so open to all this information, all this knowledge, and they will have so much power, believe it or not, in terms of understanding the computer, but also in terms of giving the computer instructions to do things, and it's going to be a wonderful feeling for these students.
It is the ministry's hope that over time, the program will grow to incorporate more schools and students.